Hey, hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. In this lecture, we are going to discuss some important HTML tags and HTML entities. The first of all, we discuss about this HTML entity. So when we are observing our website, different websites, we may look about some particular symbols like a copyright symbol and ampersand symbol, some situation greater than, and dollar symbol and a found symbol and rupee symbol. These type of symbols we want to insert to our web page. How we can insert? But how we can paste this one? Copyright symbol, how we can, and RM, and there is R, so the regulation. So this type of symbols how we can place. So there are HTML entity codes are available, CSS codes are available. Just observe, I want to open some particular website with these entities, with these HTML entity. So just observe, this is an entity name and these are and HTML code, CSS code, Unicode. With the help of these symbols, we can insert these special symbols, special notations we place into our web page. So just observe, these all are available. Different type of symbols are there, right? So inverted comma and a script capital M. So plenty of a star, a black star. So these all are available. Hearts. So just observe, I want to place these all in our web page with the help of these HTML entity codes. With the help of HTML entity codes, we may attach special symbols to our web page. You understood? So this is a trade symbol, TM symbol. How we can attach to our web page? Just we discuss. The next one, HR tag. What is mean by HR tag? Horizontal rule. Suppose this is your web page. You want to divide with one line, your web page you want to divide with one line. After some particular content, you may write one particular line. So then we can use this horizontal. Break tag can be jumps to next line, but it creates a one horizontal line on our web page. And abbr, abbreviation. So what is meant by abbreviation? Suppose you are having one word in HTML, right? So in a web page, this is your web page, there is a one HTML word is there. When your cursor is stopped this particular text on, then it will be show some title, hypertext markup language, what you want to describe about that particular word. It is possible with the help of abbr, abbreviation tag. Next, one more important tag is there. There is bidirectional override. So what is a bidirectional? Generally some content is prints like this. Suppose college is there. Suppose you want to print this one college, completely different order, right? So generally our content is prints left to right, left to right, it will be print. Suppose you want to print this one with a right to left, that can be done with this bidirectional. It having one important attribute, that is a dir attribute. The dir attribute having two important values that are right to left, left to right. With the help of these two attributes, we can design that by DO. Next, details. Suppose you want to expand your code and you want to collapse your code. Means, suppose you are having some HTML content, introduction to HTML, there is a one click symbol is there here. When you are clicking this one, automatically it can be described some particular lines. Number of lines it would be described. And when you are clicking this one, automatically it will be collapse. And expansion and collapse, it will be done with the help of these details and summary and figure and Figcaption. So generally we are using image tag, img tag. What happens img tag? With the help of img tag, we can insert some image on your web page. And when you are using this figure tag, this figure tag is containing Figcaption. Figcaption, with the help of Figcaption, we can place title to this image. This is image title. You understood? This figure tag containing Figcaption, one more tag. Internally it containing one more Figcaption. With a Figcaption, we can attach some title to this image. This image we attach. Then ProgressBar. What is a ProgressBar? Generally with this ProgressBar we are using dynamical purpose. In static web pages we may indicating. How we are indicating? Suppose 0 to 100 is there. You are indicating like 80% filling. This type of, it will be fill. That graphically small symbol will be generated. These all example we will execute on our web page, right? Open Visual Studio Code and where is our server? This is first we want to copy these symbols, and just you observe, and some symbols. I'm just copying this one and pasting. Suppose the $$ symbol. So in this way we may place not only dollar symbol, we can write this one, this @ So we are placing these all symbols. Just go live. So these symbols are there. Just you observe, symbols is generated. Symbols. I am repeating this symbol again and again. What happened? One more art symbol is there, and again I am placing this one. So in this way we can place this type of symbols we may place. So next tag is that horizontal tag. What is a horizontal tag? Just you observe here, HR tag, horizontal rule. Automatically it generates one line, horizontal line. This is a line. So just again you observe here, after this dollar notation, dollar symbol, what it generates? Just horizontal line it will be generates. You observe. The next one, abbreviation. What is a abbreviation? So here after the symbol, just you observe, I want to add abbr. Just so here in a title, abbr having some title. So there is a one text is there, HTML. Just observe, there is a HTML. Just again nothing is there, it containing nothing. So just observe, it doesn't shows when I am moving my cursor over HTML, it doesn't shows. But I want to write some content, that is hypertext markup language. Just observe here, when I am moving my cursor over on this HTML, automatically it shows some title. Just observe. Is it right? So that is advantage. What we are placing this in a title, what we are placing this title definition, that will be appear here. Just when our cursor is placing on that, automatically it will be shows hypertext markup language. So this is a abbr tag. The next one more tag we need to discuss, that are next bi-directional tag. Bi-directional, that is a BDO. So BDO tag is there. First I want to place here, so our channel name fs with suppose HTML course, right? So this content is generally it prints, normally it prints, but when I am changing this one, generally left to right is there, but right to left we are trying to change. What happened? Just you observe how it will be changed. That is a difference, right? Right to left it is a possible, left to right it is general, left to right it is general, right? Default value, that is a bi-directional. The next one more, collapse. What is a collapse? Collapse and expand, that is done with detail tag, details, and it contains summary tag, and within the summary you want to place the title. What title you want to space? Today news, suppose today's news. Just observe, after summary you want to write some content, suppose HTML course. I want to write this one like 100 times I want to write. So number of times I was placing here. Just you observe in output, this is a today's news. What we are placing here, capital letter. Suppose I want to write today's news. Today's news. Automatically, when I am clicking this one, Now it was a collapsed mode, right? It will be expanded mode. So just you observe, this is expanded. Then when I'm clicking this one, collapse, expanded. In this way we can write, right? In this way we develop our code. The next one more important tag is there. What is our important tag? Next one is figure, Figcaption. We want to place Figcaption break tag. I want to use figure. Figure in the sense, in a figure tag we may write some images. We may place images, img tag, and already we are having some images, right? Some images are in this folder. There is some images are there here, NTR and so on, so is there, right? So here I want to place src/images, and within the images folder there is Modi photo is there, Modi. Just observe Modi, but it doesn't containing any information. There is no caption, right? So here we are placing actually Modi picture, right? So Figcaption we want to place. Figcaption. What caption is a Modi photo, right? Modi is there. This type of caption we provide, right? This is a figure. The next one more important tag is there, that is ProgressBar. Just observe here, progress tag, and it containing a min attribute, that is I am placing here 0, and a maximum attribute, just you observe, it's the animation automatically there, right? Maximum attribute 100. So here you may add value 0, 100 value. The progress bar you observe 100 it prints, but we don't require that 75, right? In this way it will be print. This is a progress. These are some of the important tags. What we place here actually HTML entities. These are HTML entities, and horizontal rule, and abbreviation tag, and biodiversional tag, and details and summary. And what is the details? This is expand and collapse. What is a Figcaption? This is a Figcaption. And what is a figure and Figcaption is there, and progress. This is a progress. Meter tag, same. This progress tag is there. There's the same way. Min, you observe one more paragraph, one more symbol is there, one more symbol. Min 0 and max 100 and value 80. In this way difference, right? That is a difference. Both meter and progress both are similar actually, but generally this is dynamically we are using with the help of JavaScript. When we are using JavaScript or Node.js and backend code, that situation, the dynamically this progress and meter values will be updated, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please share and like. Thank you so much.